my favorite places in Shawnee, Kansas that I can't get to. I'm your host, John O'Hara. Let's look inside the Shawnee Dispatch and see what we're missing behind these barricades. The 2005 Survivor winner is going to be at Punch Boxing Fitness this weekend, May 22nd. Here we are at 7 Highway and Johnson Drive, and as you can see, it's pretty well blocked off, and it's going to be like that for a long time. Let's go see how we can get around all this. Here we are at 47th and 7 Highway. We're going to take a right here on 47th Street going east. Now we're going to start heading south on Silver Hill. Watch out. The police ran a lot of tickets on this road, so don't speed. Let's start heading south on Woodsonia. Okay, here we are at Johnson Drive in Woodsonia. Now all we have to do is take a short drive west to get to our favorite places in Shawnee, Kansas. I'm here. I made it to my favorite places in Shawnee, Kansas. So we've made it to Johnson Drive and Roberts Road. Let's try another direction.